Welcome to Grandmother's Kitchen. Today we're making a Kentucky butter cake. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have buttermilk, just put 1 tablespoon of lemon or white vinegar into the milk and stir and let sit for 1 minute. To make the cake, grease a 9 or 10-inch bundt pan with butter very liberally. Dust the pan with flour and set aside. Place the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl and use your electric mixer on low speed. Mix a minute to combine. Add the eggs, vanilla, butter, and buttermilk. Mix on low speed for 30 seconds to combine, then increase speed to medium and set the timer to mix for 3 minutes. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Be sure to use a spatula to scoop all the batter. Adjust your oven rack to the middle position. Bake your cake for 60 to 75 minutes. While the cake is baking, you can start making your glaze, since the cake needs to be warm when you first pour it on. To make the glaze, combine the butter, sugar, water, and vanilla in a saucepan over medium-low heat and cook, stirring continuously until the butter has melted and the sugar has dissolved. Be careful not to bring it to a boil. When it's ready, shut it off. Check the cake around 60 minutes to see if a toothpick or cake tester poked in the center of the cake comes out clean. The times will vary with ovens and elevations. Our cake took 70 minutes to bake. Poke holes all over the warm cake. We used a chopstick to poke the holes. You can use a knife or whatever tool you have for this process. Pour the glaze evenly on the cake while it's still in the pan. Allow the cake to cool completely before inverting onto a serving dish. It keeps for a few days refrigerated and the flavor stays amazing. Enjoy!